Alright, say your name for us, please.
My name is Antwone Gooden.
Anton, to the finals. First of all, how are you feeling?
Wow. I feel like we deserve this. The whole collective group from 2021 coming up, work hard. We deserve to go at least one final. At least one.
So basically, you guys went all the way down to penalties. Brilliant save from you. What was going through your mind at that point in time?
I was just telling myself I just needed one. Whether it be the first, second, or third one, I just needed one save. I'm sure we'll win the game.
And you think that one save they made cause a ripple effect?
Yeah, because my coach always said it. They say the first one would send pressure onto the other team. So let's get the first one out, and I was sure for it.
So how you evaluate the overall performance for the game? Clean sheet?
Clean sheet. It's alright. I think I could have done a little bit more, but hey, we still win, we still going to the finals.
Alright. Well, congratulations and hope to see you in the finals and put in a solid performance like what you did today.
Alright, so I'm not sure if you're aware, but you will be facing Clarendon College in the final. They defeated Garvey Maceo. We know that you faced them already this season. What would be your mindset going into the next game?
As coach said, the other game is more important at the moment. So we won't be looking at Clarendon College at the moment. We're just looking to face KC, and then we work with train and build towards it.
Alright, and as a JC man, I hope you beat them and send them back on our street pocket, alright? Alright.